Did you also get too excited about credit card send rewards when you were 21 and now you have way too many annual fees that you're paying?
Count one. Guilty.
Well, the day has finally come where I'm ready to let go of some of mine.
Bye, Felicia.
And luckily for me, somebody in the browser-based community built a tool called Compare Credit Cards. It's on BrowseSH and powered by NerdWallet and AutoBrowse. All I have to do is add the skill to my Claude skills directory here, and then I'm going to invoke it via Claude code, and let's see if it can make the decision for me. So I'm letting it know that I'm debating between Amex Gold, Chase Sapphire Preferred, and United Quest. So you can see it spins up a real browser session here, which navigates to each page, pulls live card details, and synthesizes a recommendation. Calls browse open on each URL, waits for the page to load, grabs the data from annual fees, earning rates to credits, and builds a comparison on the fly. And here we have it. It told me to cancel my Amex Gold, and honestly, the math checks out. I've been justifying this card because of the 4 times points on dining, but the Chase Sapphire Preferred gives 3 times points, and it shows me the math that I would literally have to spend $23,000 on dining for that difference to make up for the annual fee. So I have my answer. BrowseSH unlocks automation for your own workflows and tools that users build and share. The browser-based community is shipping agents for research, comparison, monitoring, and basically anything else that you can think of. So if you want to build the next community tool or just use one that's already available, BrowseSH is for you.